If you want to know how to copy a photo link in OneDrive, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it from start to finish. This is useful when you want to share a single photo with someone without sending the entire folder, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside OneDrive, look at the left sidebar and click on Photos. This section helps you find your uploaded pictures more easily. Now browse through your photos and open the one you want to share. After the photo opens, look for the Share option in the bottom menu. Click Share, and OneDrive will show you different sharing options. If you want anyone with the link to access the photo, choose that option to create a shareable link. If you only want specific people to access it, you can enter their email address instead. This gives you more control over who can see the image. Next, if OneDrive shows permission options, choose whether the person can view or can edit the photo. In most cases, if you're just sharing a picture, Can View is the best option. If you're working with a shared file that needs changes, then Can Edit may be useful. After selecting the correct permission, click Apply if that button appears. Now comes the final step. Click Copy Link. OneDrive will copy the photo link to your clipboard automatically, and you can paste it into a message, email, or chat app to share it right away. Once the link is copied, you're done. It's that simple. So just to recap, open OneDrive, go to Photos, open the picture you want, tap Share, choose your sharing settings, click Apply if needed, and then copy the link. That's how you copy a photo link in OneDrive quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.